morning, students. How are you? Myself, Ulhas Shelar from Nehru Nagar English Medium School. I heartily welcome all of you in our today's morning session. See, student, yesterday you have learned something in maths. What did you learn in maths? Can anybody tell me? In yesterday's lesson?
Word problem.
What? Yes, word problems. Which word problems?
Addition, subtraction.
No, only addition word problem you learned yesterday, right? Okay, so today we are going to learn next part, that is the word problem of subtraction. So student, I'm going to show you something. Just now, look at your screen. See, okay. Our today's subject is maths and topic is subtraction word problem. Okay. Before that, we will go to say that which are the basic operation in maths. You all of you know which are the basic operation in maths. You already learned that all the operations. Which are that?
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Very nice. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the basic operation in our maths. And in yesterday's lesson, we learn about the word problem of addition. Okay. See, so there are some keywords in word problems of addition. Teacher already told you which are the keywords to identify the addition word problems. There are some keywords that are always used in a addition word problems. Okay. Now we are thinking about the addition word problems. We are just going to revise the yesterday's lesson. What are the keywords to identify the addition word problems? See, there keywords are given there. Which are the keywords? We'll read that.
Sum,
yes,
increase, combined,
yes,
more than, add,
yes.
both,
Very good, very good.
total, altogether.
Altogether, very nice, very nice. These are the keywords which are used in a addition word problems. How many, sum, increase, combine, more than, add, both, plus, total, altogether. These all words are using in a word problems of addition. Okay, these are the keywords. So now we are going to see some small addition problems. These are for our revision purpose. Okay. See, here is one example given. What is that example? Who will read this example?
Raju planted 121 mango tree and 134 orange tree in his field. How many trees did he plant in all?
Very good, very good, very nice, beta. Raju planted 121 mango trees and 134 orange trees in his field. How many trees did he plant? How many means we have to make the addition. Okay, we have to make addition. So we will solve that. What is the solution is there? 121 mango trees plus 134 orange trees. So we'll add that number. 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, and 1 plus 1, 2. So total, how many trees are there? How many total trees are there?
255
yes.
planted.
Very nice. Very nice, beta. Very nice. 255 trees were planted. Okay. One more sum is there. This is also addition sum. See. there are 1,320 men in a village and 1,135 women. How many total population in the village altogether? See, altogether what is there? It means these are the keywords mostly used in a addition word problem. Okay. So we'll go to solve that. 1,320 men plus 1,135 women. Then what will be total? Okay, who will tell me what will be total? 0 plus 5, 5, right? 2 plus 3, 5.
5.
Yes, 3 plus 1,
4.
4. And 1 plus 1,
2.
2. It means 2,455. Total population will be 2,455. So there were 2,455 population altogether in village. Okay. So now see, always remember these are the important things in a word problem. Okay. There are some steps in a word problem that always keep in your mind. What are that steps? See, what is the first steps? We'll read this step. Read and understand what do I need to find out. First of you, read that problem and first understand what you have to find out. Okay. Then second step. What is the second step? Who will read this second
Find
step?
out the information given
Yes.
problem.
Very nice. Find out the information given in the problem. Then we have to find out what information is given in that problem. Okay. Step 3. What is step 3?
Decide the operation to do use.
Yes, decide the operation to be used. Then you have to decide which operation you have to use, either addition or subtraction. And then step 4, finally solve the problem. And last, finally, you have to solve the problem. Okay, these are the 4 steps very important in a word problem. Either it is addition word problem or subtraction. Always keep in mind that first step is read and understand what do I need to find out. First read that problem and understand what you have to find out. Okay. And second step is find out the information given in the problem. Then find out which information is given in the problem. Then step 3 is decide the operation to be used. Then you decide which operation you have to use. Okay. Then step 4, finally solve the problem. Finally solve the problem. So now we are going to learn more about our today's topic, that is subtraction word problem. Before start that subtraction word problem, we will see which are the keywords mostly used in a word problem of subtraction. Okay. So see, here are keywords given. Keywords to identify the subtraction word problem. These are the keywords. In last slide, we see that keywords to identify the addition word problem. And these are the keywords to identify the subtraction word problems. Okay. So then which are that words? We'll read the words that these are
How
the regarding.
many times
Yes, very nice. How
different
many? Yes,
left remains,
yes,
remove,
yes,
discrete,
yes,
take away, how many
yes.
more?
Very good, very good. See, there are some keywords. That keywords are identified to subtraction word problems. Which are that? How many left? How many more? Take away, decrease, remove, remains, less, difference, and deduct. These are the keywords which are mostly used in a subtraction word problem. Once again, listen. Which are that word? How many left? How many more? Take away, decrease, remove, remains, less, difference, and deduct. Okay, these are the keywords which are mostly used in a subtraction word problem. So now we're going to see one subtraction problem. See, one example is there. What is that example? 1 minute. We'll read that example.
A fruit has 88 oranges. He sells
Yes.
3 oranges. How many
Yes.
oranges are left?
Uh, with him. Very nice, beta. A fruit seller has 88 oranges. He sells 33 oranges. How many oranges are left with him? See, now we can see there are some keywords already. How many left? These are keywords. From that keywords, we can identify that this is the subtraction word problem. Okay. So whenever we are going to solve the subtraction word problem, that time what we do, first of all, we write the greater number, right? First of all, we are going to write the greater number at upper side, right? So we have write the greater number, which is the greater number here. 88 is the greater number. Okay. So 88 oranges, and subtraction sign, you all know subtraction sign, and below that we are going to write the smaller number, and which is the smaller number here? 33. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. 33 oranges. So we will now minus that. We will minus that. We'll subtract that. 8 minus 3.
5.
Yes, very nice. And next one is 8 minus 3.
5.
5. It means 55 oranges. Now 55 oranges are left with him. Okay. See, once again, a fruit seller has 88 oranges. He sells 33 oranges. How many oranges are left with him? So that purpose, we arrange that all the numbers in subtraction. First of all, we write the greater number at upper side and smaller number at lower side. So 88 minus 33, 55 oranges are left there, right? Okay. See,
Yes.
now it's on page number 48. One example is given there. Two examples are given there. Subtraction. Okay. See, there is one example given first. There are 1,433 Marathi books and 586 Hindi books in a school library. Which language has more books than the other, and how many more are there? See, now here some information is given. Which information is given there? Marathi books and Hindi books. And we have to find out which language is having more books. Okay, and how many. So once again, I'm going to read that problem. What is that problem? There are 1,473 Marathi books and 586 Hindi books in a school library. Which language has more books than the other? How many more are there? Okay. See, there are three parts. That problem is divided in a three parts. Hmm? In first part, what is written there? What information is given? Now remind that I have given you 4 steps. Okay. We learn that 4 steps. In 4 steps, this word is also coming that. What information is given? Who will tell me what information is given here? Can anybody tell? Hello. What information is given? See, which information is given there? Marathi books.
Marathi
Yes.
books
Very
1473.
very nice, beta. Marathi books
Hindi
are.
books 586.
Yes, very nice, very nice. Which information is given there? Marathi books 1,473 and Hindi books 586. Okay. Now, which language has more books? Which language has more books?
Marathi.
Marathi. Very nice. We can say that Marathi is having more books. And what is asked? What is asked?
How many more books in which language?
Very good. How many books, more books in which language? And what method should be used?
Subtraction.
Yeah, subtraction. What method or what operation we will use? That is the subtraction. See, now that example is solved on your right side. Method is written there. So when we are doing the subtraction, we know that we write the bigger number at upper side and smaller number at a lower side or a below of that bigger number. Okay, so whenever we are going to subtract, when we are going to subtract 6 from 3, is it possible? Can we subtract?
No,
No. Why
no.
it is not possible? Because
Because
uh,
3 smaller number and 6
yeah,
is bigger number.
very nice, beta. 3 is a smaller number and 6 is a bigger number. So that purpose we will borrow 1 from next number, right? We'll borrow 1 from next number. Which is that next number? That next number is a 7. Huh? So we'll borrow 1 from that 7. So that 7 becomes 6 and that 3 will become 13. So now 13 minus 6, what will be there?
7.
7. Very good. 13 minus 6, 7 will be there. And here it's become 6. So when we try to subtract 8 from 6, it is not possible because 6 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger
Bigger
number.
number.
Yes. For that purpose, once again we will borrow 1 from a next number. So what is the next number? Next number is a 4. So we'll borrow 1 from that 4 and that 6 will become 16 and that 4 will become 3. So now 16 minus 8, what will be the answer?
8.
Yet. Very nice. And now see here, 3 minus 5. Now we cannot minus 5 from 3 because 3 is a smaller number. We know that. So that purpose we will borrow 1 from next number. Next number is a 1. When we borrow 1 from that 1, it will become 0 and that 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 5,
8.
yet is there. Very good. And now that 1 becomes 0. So 0 minus 0,
0.
0 is there. Yes, very good. So what is the answer? 887, right? 887 is the answer. So there are
808.
887.
Than Hindi books.
Yes, there are 887 more Marathi books than Hindi books. Very nice. Okay. Now, one more example is given there. It's a slight different example. The sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers is 30,400. Okay. One of the number is 17,400, 17,548. So what is the other number? Now here total of two number is given and we have to find out the other number. So when we will do the subtraction, you can see there that subtraction is done. 6 minus 8, it is not possible. We cannot minus 8 from 6. So we'll borrow 1 from next number. It's become 16. So 16 minus 8, it's become 16 minus 8. What will remaining there?
8.
8 will be remain there. So when we borrow 1 from that 2 will become 1. We cannot minus 4 from 1. So we'll borrow from next number. So it's become 11. So 11 minus 4, it's become 7. Okay. Now we borrow 1 from 4. So 4 is become 3. And we cannot minus 5 from 3 because 3 is a smaller number and 5 is a bigger number. So that's purpose we'll borrow 1 from that next number. That next number is 1. So that 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 5.
8.
Yes, 13 minus 5, 8. Okay. That 1 will become 0. So we cannot minus 7 from 0. That purpose we'll borrow 1 from next number 3. Then that 0 will become 10. Okay. So 10 minus 7, it's remain 3. And now it's 3 become 2. So 2 minus 1, answer is 1. So the other number is 13,878. Okay. We got the answer. What answer we got? The other number is 13,878. See once again. The sum of two numbers is 31,426. One of the number is 17,548. And what is the other number? Which is the other number? Other number is
13,878.
878. Very nice. See, now we are going to see some example from our exercise. Okay. See what is the first example is given there. See, it's in your textbook on page number 48. We'll read this example. What is that example? Can anybody read? Hello.
Abdul
Ah,
Abdul
yes.
has 720 beads. He
Yes.
sold 628 of them.
Yes.
How
Very good.
many beads does he have left?
Very nice. Abdul had 720 beads. He sold 640 of them. How many beads does he have left? Okay. So for that purpose, we will arrange all that number in a subtraction. See here we have written that number in a subtraction manner. First of all, we write the bigger number upper side and smaller number below that bigger number. So 720 beads he had and 648 beads sold. So we'll minus 648 from a 720. Here we cannot minus 8 from 0, right?
Yeah.
Because 0 is smaller. Yes. So that purpose we borrow 1 from next number. So that 0 become 10, right? 0 become 10. So 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8, what will be there?
2.
8. Yes. 10 minus 8, it will be 2 there. Okay. So now here is a 1 remaining. So we cannot minus 4 from 1. So we borrow 1 from next number, from that 7. And that 1 become 11. Now 11 minus 4, what will be there? 11, 11 minus 4.
8.
No.
7.
Anybody? Yeah, very good. 7. 7 will be there. And 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So 72 bits left. 72 bits left. 72 bits are left with Abdul. Abdul had 720 bits. He sold 640 of them. And how many bits does he have left? He have left 72 bits with him. Okay. Now one more example is there. See, what is the example? Joseph bought tables worth rupees 6,350 and chairs worth rupees 3,800. How much more did the table cost more than the chair? See here, Joseph has bought the table of cost 6,350 rupees and chairs worth rupees 6,800. So how much more did the table cost more than the chair? For that purpose, we'll arrange that number in a subtraction. We know that we always write the bigger number upper side and smaller number below that bigger number. So cost of table, what is the cost of table?
6,350.
Very nice. 6,350 is the cost of table. And what is the cost of chair?
3,800.
3,800. 3,800 is the cost of chair. So when we will do the subtraction, that time, see, 0 minus 0.
0.
0. Very nice, beta. 5 minus 0.
5.
5. Yes, 5 minus 0. 5. And 3 minus 8, it is possible?
No.
No, because 3 is a smaller number. So we will borrow 1 from that next number. That next number is a 6. So that 3 will become 13. And now 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8.
5.
5. Very nice. Okay. Now that 6 has become 5. So 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3.
2.
2. Very nice. So answer is 2550. 2550. The cost of table is more. 2550 rupees cost of table is more. So answer is cost of table is 2550 more than the cost of chairs. Okay. Now one more example is given there in your textbook. See, in a census taken in 2001, the population of a village was 62,947. The census of the year 2011 listed the population as 74,405. How much did the population increase in the meantime? Okay. Do you know what is the word meaning census? Hmm? Hello, anybody know
Yes.
what is the census? Census means counting the population. Okay. How many people are living in that particular area or our country, that is called as a census. Okay. It's always happening in a 10 years. It's last time it's happening in a 2011. Okay. So when that census is happening, taken in 2001, that time one village is having population 62,947, and in 2011 it was 74,405. So how much did the population increase in meantime? So in this between, how much population has been increased? So that purpose we have to minus population of 2001 from population of 2011. Okay. So which is the bigger number here? Will tell me.
74,405.
Very nice. 74,405 is the bigger number. That is the population in 2011. Okay. So we will minus the population of 2001. What is the population of 2001?
62,947.
Very good. 62,947. Very nice, beta. So now we will minus that population. See, for that purpose, we have arranged that number. You know that how we arrange the number when we are going to subtraction. Now 5 minus 7 is not possible. So that purpose we have borrow one from next number. Next number is 0. So we borrow from another next number. It's become 10, and we take 1 from 10. That 5 is become 15. Now 15 minus 7, what is the
8.
answer? Yeah, it is there. Very good.
8.
And when we borrow 1 from that 10 become 9. So 9 minus 4,
5.
9. Yes, very nice. So now see here, we have borrow 1 from that 4. So that 4 become 3. Now it is not possible. We cannot minus 9 from 3. So we borrow 1 from the next number. Next number is a 4. And that 3 become 13. So now 13 minus 9,
4.
4. And now that 4 become 3 because 1 already we borrow. So 3 minus 2,
1.
1. Very good, beta. And 7 minus 6,
1.
1. Very good. It means it's 11,450 increase in population. How many population increase?
11,458 increase in
Yes.
population.
Very, very nice, beta. Increase in population was 11,458. Okay. See, now there are some more examples are given. One more subtopic is there. What is that subtopic? Make a subtraction problem based on the given information, solve it and solve it. Now we have to make the subtraction problems on given information and we have to solve it. Okay. See, what is the information is given here? We'll read that given information. What is that information?
Cost of motorcycle is rupees 47,580. Cost of
Very
another
nice.
motorcycle is rupees 50,240.
Very nice. Very nice, beta. Given information is cost of one motorcycle is rupees 47,580 and cost of another motorcycle is 50,240. Okay. This information is given. Now we have to frame or we have to make the subtraction problem or example. See, that example is ready there. That example is ready there. What is that example? I'm going to read. Just listen. What is the example? A company's motorcycle cost rupees 47,580 and B company's motorcycle cost rupees 50,240. So which company's motorcycle is more expensive and by how much? Okay. So that purpose we will arrange that number in a subtraction, and you always know that whenever we are arrange that number in a subtraction manner, that time we write the bigger number. Where we write the bigger number? Hello, we write the bigger number at upper side. Okay,
Upper side.
and below that, yes, and below that we are write the smaller number. So that numbers are arranged in that way, and we will minus that. 0 minus 0, 4
0.
minus 8. Yes, 4 minus 8. It is possible.
15.
No, it's not possible.
12.
So we will yes, we will borrow from next number. It's become 14. 14 minus 8. It's become 6. Okay. Now here it's 1 remaining. So we'll borrow from next number. Next number is 0. For that purpose, we'll borrow from 5. That 5 will become 4, and that 0 will become 10.
10.
So yes, and when we borrowed 1 from that 10 will become 9, and that 2 will become 12. So
12.
now, sorry, that 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 5, it will remain 6. Okay. And 9 minus 7, it will remain 2.
2.
And 4 minus 4, it's become
0.
0. So that answer is, what is that answer? We'll read that answer.
2,660.
Very nice, beta. 2,660 is the answer. So B company's motorcycle cost is rupees 2,660 more. Okay. Okay. Now see,
Yes.
some more examples are given on that information. See here, you can see that based on the given information, make subtraction problem and solve the problems. Okay. Now we have to make subtraction problems and solve that problems. First example is given there. Cost of one company's washing machine is rupees. What is the cost of first washing machine?
19,999.
Very nice.
Cost of
90.
another company's washing machine is 21,150.
Very nice, beta. See, what is the information is given here? Cost of one machine is 19,999. Cost of another washing machine is 21,550. So we have to make the example or the problem of subtraction. So example, we have prepared that example. We make that example. What is the example? A company's washing machine cost rupees 19,999 and B company's washing machine cost rupees 21,550. So which company's washing machine is more expensive and by how much? For that purpose, we will do that subtraction. See in right side, that subtraction has already done. 21,550 rupees minus 19,999 rupees. So answer is there. What is the answer is there?
1,000.
Yes.
1,551.
Yes, very nice. 1,551 is answer is there. So B company's washing machine cost 1,551 rupees more. Okay. Now one more example is there. See, we'll read this that example. What is information is given there?
The
population
of one town
Yes.
is
Yes. Yes, beta.
76,560.
Very good.
The population of other town
Very
is
nice.
57,940.
Very nice. Very nice. Oh,
Information. Population
one
of a town 760.
76,560. Okay. And population of another town is 57,914. This information is given. So we have to make the example or the word problem. See, that word problem is already created there. What is that word problem? X town's population is 76,560 and Y town's population is 57,940. Which town is having more population and by how much? See, two population of two towns is given there. Towns means cities. One town is having 76,560 population and another town is having 57,940 population. So we have to find out which town is having the more population and how much. So that purpose we'll do the subtraction. We know that whenever we are doing the subtraction, that time the bigger number we write at upper side and the smaller number we write below that bigger number. So we have made that subtraction here. Answer is 18,620 population. So answer, what is the answer is given there below? See, we'll read that. X town is having
more population, 80,620 more.
Very good. X town is having more population. How much more it is? It is 18,620. Okay. So now read this example. Okay, read this example. We'll read this example.
Sir, I can read.
Yes, beta. Yes. Hello.
Raghav Rao bought seeds worth rupees 3,587 and fertilizer worth
Yes.
rupees 4,655. How much more? How much more than the seeds are the fertilizers cost?
Very good. Raghavara bought seeds worth rupees 3,587. And fertilizer worth rupees 4,655. How much more than the seeds did the fertilizer cost? So that purpose will arrange that cost of fertilizer and seeds in a subtraction for you know that whenever we're doing the subtraction, that time we write the bigger number at upper side. Okay. So cost of fertilizer, what is the cost of fertilizer?
4,655.
Very good. Cost of fertilizer is 4,655. That is the bigger number. And cost of seed, what is the cost of seed?
3,587.
Very good. 3,587. Yes, that is the cost of seed. That is the smaller number. So now we have arranged that. Now we'll minus that number. We cannot minus 7 from 5. So that purpose we borrow 1 from the next number. It's become 15. Now 15 minus 7, what will be there? 15 minus 7, what will be there? 15 minus 7. Once again count, beta.
8.
8. Very nice. 8 will be there. And now see that 5 become 4. So we cannot subtract 8 from 4. So we borrow 1 from that next 6, right?
Yeah.
So that 4 become 14. Now 14 minus 8.
6.
Yes, 14 minus 8. Answer will be 6. And that 6 become 5. 5 minus 5.
0.
0 will be there. And 4 minus 3.
1.
1. Very nice, beta. So what is the answer? 1068. What is the answer?
1068.
Yes, 1068 answer. So cost of fertilizer is rupees 1060 is more than the cost of seeds. Okay. How much more? More? Yes. Cost of fertilizer is how much more than the cost of seed?
1000. 1068.
68. 68. Sorry. 1068. Very good. Okay. Now one more example is there. That is electricity meter reading. Okay. See, what is that example? The reading of the electricity meter in Isha's house was 3,452 on the 1st of June. On the 1st of July, it was 3,531. How many units electricity were used in a June? See here, electricity reading is given of Nisha's house. So which month is having the uh, extra units? Which month is having extra units? Can anybody tell? July month is having extra units, na?
Yes.
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 How many units are there?
3031.
3,431.
No. July month's beta 3,531 is the reading of 1st July. And what is the reading of 1st June? 3,452. So we'll minus the reading of June from reading of July. That purpose we arrange that number, and we have already done the subtraction of that reading. So what is the answer is there?
9.
Yes, answer is already given there, beta. What is the answer?
89.
79. Very good.
79
79 is the answer. So 79 units of
electricity was used in June.
very good. 79 units of electricity was used in June. Okay. Now some more examples regarding the information which are given, and we have to form the examples. See, here some information is given, and we have to prepare or we have to make the example or the problems of subtraction. See, what is the information given? The capacity for one water tank is 38,500 liter, and the capacity of another water tank is 22,750 liter. Okay. So what is the given information? Will tell me. What is the given information is there?
Capacity of one water tank 38,500 liters. Capacity of another water tank
Very nice.
22,750 liters.
Very nice, beta. The capacity of one water tank is a 38,500 liter, and capacity of another water tank is a 22,750 liter. So we have to make the example, or we have to make the problem of subtraction. So we have already made that problem. That problem is given there. Huh? The first tank is 75 liter. The capacity of first tank is a 38,500 liter, and capacity of second tank is a 22,750 liter. So which tank is having more capacity and by how much? Okay. Now we have to find out which tank is having more capacity and how much. So that purpose, we'll arrange that number in a subtraction. We'll subtract the first tank capacity from, we'll subtract the second tank capacity from first tank capacity. Okay. So we have arranged that. What is the capacity of first tank? That already given there. What is the capacity of first tank?
38,500.
Very good. 38,500. Very nice, beta. And what is the capacity of second tank?
22,750.
22,750. So that answer is there 15,750. 15,750. So first tank capacity is 15,750 liters more. How many more capacity is having first tank? 15,750 liters. Okay. First tank capacity 15,750 liters more. Okay. Now see, there are some homework for you. What is the homework given? You just take out the screenshot of your screen. First one is just in nursery there were 12,789 lemon sapling and 10,043 teak sapling. Which saplings are more and how many? Okay, you have to find out that. Then second sum is Latika Ben donated rupees 75,000 to the hospital. Jaben donated 35,250. Who had donated more amount and how much? Okay, you have to find out. This is the one slide, and next slide is also having some homework. See, now solve based on given information, make subtraction problems and solve the problems. Here information is given, you have to make the problems of subtraction and you have to solve that. Okay, after completing your homework, show to your class teacher. Okay, student, all of you understand? Hello,
Yes, sir.
all of you understand today's topic, subtraction word problem?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Anybody having any query, any question?
No.
No.
Okay, then thank you. Thank you, beta.
Thank
Welcome.
you, sir.
Okay, thank you.